What is up, everybody? How are you guys doing? Make sure we're looking good here really quickly. Good here. Yep, good. Cool. All right. Let me turn this music down. That is very, very, very loud. Hold up. Much better. Cool. All right. So let me alert this YouTube stream really quickly. Let's go here, share, copy. Awesome. Here and live. Awesome. All right, I'm gonna give everybody a few minutes to hop in here and kind of hang out with us. Then we will get started, guys. What's up, Omar? What's up, Adon? Guys in Discord. For everybody on YouTube, if you could go ahead and drop a like, subscribe. It really helps out the channel and helps us reach more people. Give everybody just a couple minutes here. People are still rolling into the YouTube stream, rolling into Discord. What's up on YouTube, guys? As always, feel free to drop any questions in the chat box, any questions in the chat box on Discord as well. Feel free to unmute your mic if you want to talk in Discord, guys. Just kind of hanging out here. All right, so, all right, I'm gonna like 30 more seconds here, then we're gonna start. And you guys don't be afraid to ask questions. I'm more than happy to answer questions, more than happy to educate and kind of, help out where I can. And if it's just me talking in here, it's no fun, So let's be a team here. Let's talk together. Let's have a good time. All right. All right, so let's get started. For all of you that, of course, you know me, you're in this stream. I'm Logan. I'm a stock options trader, and I'm also the creator of the Effortless algorithm, and currently in the process of creating this algorithm that you see on the screen currently, called the Effortless Scalping algorithm. So anyways, I'm just kind of hopping on here live a little bit late. It's kind of a later night, 10 o'clock Eastern, before a Monday. So thank you guys for hopping on. I really appreciate it. But I'm here to kind of answer questions, kind of give insight of what I think the market's doing, chart any charts you guys would like, any tickers you guys would like charted, and then also to kind of discuss this new strategy that's going on. So this new strategy that you see on the screen, and the new strategy that I will likely be using for a lot more of my trades in the near future. So yeah, if you guys have any questions throughout the whole live, feel free to drop them in the comments, drop them in the Discord server, drop them, wherever, and I'm more than happy to answer them. So we can kind of start off with a Q&A. Does anybody have any questions? Anybody in Discord, anybody in YouTube, any questions out there, anything you wanted me to cover specifically, whether it be the way I trade, the brokers I use, the charting service I use, how I got started. More than happy to answer any questions. I'll give you guys a few minutes for that before we hop into the meat of the discussion this evening. And like I said on YouTube, feel free to drop your questions in the chat box. All right, we have somebody typing here on Discord. Do you think we're due for a downturn? All right, let me turn off all my indicators and let's check out the daily chart really quickly for the S&P 500, because I'm sure you're talking about the market as a whole. So As far as the market as a whole, we're not really due for a downturn because we're kind of in one. So let me kind of show you how my chart is looking here. Okay, well, there it goes. So my S&P chart's looking like this, right? So like that.
That's a lot of lines, bro.
Yeah, man. What's up, friends? How you doing?
Oh,
Okay, so my S&P chart's looking like this. We have this upper trend line here that we've been respecting quite well, and then lower trend line here we've been respecting. Excuse me. So what I see happening is we could possibly, you know, retrace up here and bounce off this trend line again, or we could break out. But I think we do see slightly bullish next few days, depending on how the market reacts on Tuesday, because Tuesday we have CPI numbers coming out, inflation numbers, all that great stuff. But as far as technical analysis goes, I would say we're in a slightly bullish area. We have a gap to be filled up here to 420, 421. We also have we have gaps everywhere, guys. But these gaps will be filled. We have gaps all the way up to 426, 427 area that we have to fill. So I do believe we're bullish, at least for now. And yeah, I think we have a couple days of green ahead. You know, possibly a gap fill, but that's what I'm seeing. All right, let's see. Any other questions before we move on? Like I said, YouTube, drop them there, and Discord, drop them in the chat box or unmute. Happy to answer them. Questions about indicators, strategies, anything I use, feel free to drop them. All right. Giving you guys about 5, 10, 15 more seconds because I know there's a delay on YouTube. Let me drink some water really quickly.
So is that your new algo going on? Like,
yeah, man. It is. Yep.
How long did it take you to like kind of revise it?
So this one's completely new. It literally has very, very few things of the old algorithm. So for those of you that don't know, I do code stock algorithms, and for those of you on YouTube that are watching, yeah, DAC let me get to you in just a second. Let me answer his question. So I used to use, well, I still do. I have two algorithms, right? So I have this algorithm, which is called the effortless algorithm. It was my first algorithm I created. Very accurate. You use Heikin-Ashi candles, but it's quite an accurate algorithm. Very accurate actually, but it alerts very rarely, and I didn't like that. I kind of wanted to play more than I did, you know. And whenever it alerts rarely, some people don't really like that, but this algorithm is very accurate. And then this other algorithm I've created is totally different, a little bit less accurate, but it alerts a whole lot more. This is unreleased, so you guys are seeing a first look into it, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna need some questions about the algorithm. I didn't want to dive into it just yet, but I guess I can, kind of what the algorithm is and how I use it. Literally, like I said, it's unreleased. It's in the beta phase, so we have some people testing it right now, some really talented people that are testing the algorithm and making sure it's all good before we actually release it, but I'm more than happy to explain how it works to you guys. So let's just look at some signals and I'll show you guys really quickly how to use it. Whatever, we can just start over here. So, all right, so with this algorithm, it's called effortless scalping. It's based on momentum, and it's to kind of catch larger moves, I guess, with also having a hard stop loss and showing you when to start taking profit. So how it would work is, let's say, okay, let me get to a blank chart really quickly so it's a lot easier. This is my beta testing chart anyway. I think, hold up. let's go over here. All right, so let's say we took some of these signals, right? Let's say we took this green signal right here, right? See where it says long right here, where it actually alerts the word long? This would be our stop loss. So we put a stop loss here. Well, actually, this is, yeah, we put our stop loss here, and then our take profits here. This like is already there. And as you can see, it hit our take profit, and then it rejected. So I mean, this was a perfect trade here, right? Never hit our stop loss. We're good. This trade here, let's look at this one. So it says go short right here with the take profit down here. So we're going to draw our stop loss line right here where it says short. And as you can see, it never hit it, and then it hit the stop loss. I mean, it hit the take profit here. This other one is a different story. It did get stopped out. This would have been a failed trade, right? But this one was good. Over here, same thing. Stop loss would be right here. You start taking profit here. So, you know, you would trim some out here, and as you can see, it went up. So it's pretty simple. It tells you, it basically tells you when to, you know, cut your losses and when to start taking profits. I really enjoyed this one because you can use it on a lot of time frames. Of course, the smaller time frame you go, the more false you're going to get, but also the more you'll be able to trade. So like this is the 1 minute time frame. You had a long here with the take profit here. That one was good. You had a long here, take profit here, good. A short here, which actually looks like it ended up being good. It actually ended up taking profit. A long here, which was a bad one. A short here, which was a bad one. You know, this is also Friday where it was very, very, very choppy. But yeah, this is the new one I've been working on. With the help of some very talented people, some awesome people that really helped me do this stuff. But yeah, overall, that is kind of the algorithm in a nutshell. It's, like I said, it's still being beta tested. We're looking to possibly release by Tuesday. So if you guys are interested in that, feel free to shoot me a message on Discord or on, yeah, I guess on Discord. So yeah, that's kind of how the algorithm works. I'm gonna put my Discord on the stream really quickly so you guys can feel free to add me. Let me type that up really quickly. Let's see. Paste. That there and drag that up here. Right there. Is that centered? Oh, that's good enough, right? Yeah. So on the screen, you can see my Discord. My Discord is Logan #9779. Feel free to message me if you guys have any questions about the algorithm. More than happy to answer it. It's my creation. I love it. So yeah. Any more questions about the algorithm? Omar, I know you've been interested in the algorithms for a while. Any questions about it?
Yeah, I got one last question
What's
about
up?
it.
Sure.
So the only thing I'm kind of confused on, do you think it's gonna be, you're just gonna put it into one algorithm, or will it be two different algorithms?
So since they are quite different, it'll probably be two different algorithms. I'm looking at making this one actually less expensive than the other one because the other one, the main algorithm is going to be kind of the trademark for my brand. And wow, hold up, I just saw this. That's crazy, all these longs. That is a crazy day of trading on this. Wow, okay, sorry. So the main algorithm will be more expensive, which is already released. You know, it's $100 a month. This algorithm I'm looking to release lower at probably $70 to $75 a month and still run the same discounts. So no, they're not gonna be the same because they're totally different. And one is more towards less trades but better accuracy, and then this one's more towards, you know, more potential profits but less accuracy. So it's just a little bit different. So I don't really want to release them into the same category because I feel like that would just be confusing to people. So to answer your question, no, they won't be answered. They will not be in the same one. What I'm thinking about doing is for lifetime members. If you purchase lifetime, you get both algorithms for free or not for free, obviously, but if you get lifetime, you get both algorithms, access to both. So that's what I'm thinking about doing if you purchase lifetime. But as far as the same script, no, they're still gonna be different scripts. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, for sure. On YouTube, give you guys a few seconds here. Any more questions about the algorithm or any questions in general about trading style or anything like that? Same thing for your Discord. Any questions about trading style or algorithm or anything? Also, quick plug, I will put it up on the screen on YouTube. If you are interested in the algorithm, you can use promo code LIVE for 40% off of your order. Link in description for that. Use code LIVE for 40% off. That's only active whenever I am live on YouTube or streaming. But if you are interested in the algorithm, use code LIVE for 40% off. Yeah. So questions. Anybody want me to chart anything, or anybody want me to look into a particular conversation? Feel free to drop it. Happy to answer questions, guys. That's why I'm here. I'm here to hang out and answer questions. Please show us Bitcoin. All right, let's see some Bitcoin. Jesse, is that your name? Yeah, Jesse. What time frame? What time frame? You're gonna see the 4 hour, I'm assuming, something like that, something higher. So for those of you that trade crypto, Forex stocks, 3.5 hour chart, that's different. Can I do that? How many minutes is 3.5 hours? 210-minute chart. Okay, there you go. I've never heard of a 3.5 hour chart, but okay. Their algorithm looks like it works perfect on it. I mean, this is crazy. Wow. Yeah, man, for sure. So I don't really know what you want me to look at here exactly. I don't trade crypto all that often. I have before, but as far as the algorithm goes, it looks like it works great on here. You know, you get short here, you're short here, don't get stopped out. Maybe a false one here, but you still get a 1% move. A great long here, a great long here, and a great long here, great short here. And lots of great shorts here, great longs. Yeah, I mean, the algorithm looks very, very solid here on the 3.5 hour chart, which I would never think to trade a 3.5 hour chart, but hey, to each their own, right? Wow, this is actually crazy. Any more questions about the Bitcoin chart? Jesse Smollett. Can you check AMD and Amazon? Yeah, sure. DACG15. What time frame exactly? DACG. What time frame? 1 hour. Sure. So AMD on the hourly. Hold on, I'm gonna get text. 1 second. Okay. AMD on the hourly. So I believe I have this charted on my other. Let me go over here to charted. So AMD on the hourly here. So AMD, we did just overtake a support, and now we're trading in a supply and demand zone. So I would look for. It really is not a terrible spot for calls, right? Because we did overtake this little line here, which is a pretty strong support. But ultimately for confirmation, I would look for a break out of like 8750, 8760 area for actual to enter calls, or a break down here for puts. As far as algorithm goes, if you're curious, it looks like we're just not really doing anything right now. Yeah. I mean, we had some good calls. This is July. Wait, what? The 1 hour. Yeah, we haven't really had any alerts here since looks like late August. But as far as, you know, technical analysis, I would say you can enter calls here, especially because of these retests. It looks like a great place for calls, even a breakout of this high. So, but I would really enter calls after 8750 area. That would be my entry. As far as Amazon, let's check out Amazon really quickly for you. Amazon here, we're in a buy off the algorithm that already took profit. That was a good buy here too. So we did kind of get rejected here off this line of 133.98. Hey Dabum, I'm gonna mute you really quickly just because of the background. Or can you mute up for me because of background noise in Discord? Dabum.
You want it?
Okay, I'm gonna mute you up for a minute. Okay. All right. So Amazon, we kind of rejected this support, which is right here actually, off of this. Ray. Okay, so actually a couple things here. So really, Amazon's in an interesting spot. So let's kind of rechart it. We have this little range here that we are trading in. So Amazon is trading in a range. It overtook a resistance, so it's actually trading in support. It looks better for calls, not puts. My apologies. But it overtook a support. I think it's going to trade in this little choppy channel up to 134.61. So I would play calls above 135 area. That would be my play on Amazon. Does that kind of help you out, DACG? I hope that helps you out. Okay. Anybody else? Any chart requests? Any yeah, chart requests, questions? Feel free to drop them. Like that's what I'm here for, guys. I'm here to hang out. I'm here to answer questions. So drop them down. I will answer them. Let's see. One of my favorite stocks to trade right now is probably going to be Oxy, which is Occidental Petroleum. Okay. So if you can't tell on the hourly, this stock has a lot of action. Especially since early February, whenever this whole oil crisis went on. So let's see. Jesse's. Oh my god. Okay. Sure. I'll help you because it's your birthday. That's really funny. Oh my god, that's funny. Okay, I've been trading Occidental Petroleum a lot lately because of the kind of volatility of it. It's been pretty fun to trade. So another thing about the algorithm is we have a chop index in here, so we can kind of see the choppiness of the market, and if it exceeds your chop in the settings, it will not alert. So my chop is set to 61. And you can kind of see that by this gray bar here on the VWAP line, which I'm going to make mine a little bit thicker. There we go. Actually, no, I'm not. There we go. So I like this stock trade a lot. Just by the way, Occidental has been fun, especially at the 15-minute. It's been doing quite well for me. Yeah. Let's see, guys. Any questions? in the, if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments or drop them in the chat box on Discord. Let's see. All right. So let's check futures. I think futures are open. Yeah, they are. So, okay, we have a gap up on futures and it's trying to fill the gap right now. If you trade futures, our rhythm works for futures, by the way. So, so we have a gap fill down to 40.83 on ES. And we're currently at 40.86. I think did we fill the gap? Oh yeah, we did fill the gap. So we did fill this gap here, which is a white line, which also indicates previous market close. So yeah, our gap is filled. I think we're gonna go. I don't know. I think we're gonna go up here. So we have this descending triangle forming. Let's go to the white chart like that, and then we also broke out of this trend. I don't know. We almost look bearish, but I think we're just trading off the bull flag here. So if you turn on Heikin-Ashi candles, you can really see that. Yeah, so we're trading off the bull flag here. Right, like that. That's our trend currently. If we break up, we could see up to 4107 area. And if we break down, we could fall a decent amount. We have some consolidation here at 4060. But futures are pretty even right now. If you go to any server and type in /futures, like I know a bunch of servers have, it'll probably say about even. Let me check that right now, actually, out of curiosity. Go in here and check that. Am I crazy? Futures. All right. So yeah, I mean, we're plus 0.04% on the S&P, so ES. Wait, I can check that here. Am I crazy? We're plus 0.02%. So yeah, I mean, we're literally at even on the day. Yeah, not really much going on with futures. And we've been open since 5 o'clock, so, or 6 o'clock Eastern, a few hours. So probably interesting tomorrow to see where the market's going to open. I would probably think we're going to be into a choppy day with these resistances here and support here. So that's my outlook on the market as for tomorrow. I think we're going to see a lot of chop. I think we're going to see a lot of fake outs. But overall, I think we will have a good trading day tomorrow because, you know, we're going to trade smart, right? We're not going to trade stupid. But do I usually trade every weekday? Yeah, except for Fridays. A lot of Fridays I won't trade unless I just feel like it. Most Fridays are kind of lottery days. Sorry. Most Fridays are going to be like risky lottery size days. So I'm not really going to go into full positions on a lot of the, how do I say it? So on Fridays, I don't go full size position because it is a really volatile day. But yes, I trade every weekday and I try to stream every weekday as well. So like tomorrow, I will be streaming from 1:30 Eastern until close or about close. And same with Wednesday. And then Tuesday, Thursday, I'll be streaming from open until about 11:30 Eastern. So about an hour and a half. I'll be able to stream on Tuesday and Thursday. And that is because I have classes. I'm a college student, so I also have classes. So yeah. if you guys have any more questions, feel free to drop them really quick. I'm going to give you guys about 2 more minutes for questions, and then I'm probably going to hop off here. I will be trading with this algorithm tomorrow, by the way, guys. So feel free to drop by and see what's up with that. ABBV. Okay, I've heard of this stock. Hold up. I want to see what this is. The algorithm prints money with it, obviously. ABBV. Let's look at the hourly. What is this stock? Oh, this is biotech. Is this a biotech stock? Let me check. Do some legitimate financial research here. Yeah, this is a biotech stock, it looks like. I don't really mess with biotech, but looks like they had some good news. What's up, Dabam? You here? Oh, okay. It's a biotech stock. I don't like messing with these because they are so volatile, but from what I'm seeing, you could buy it because of the news that just came in, but at the same time, I probably wouldn't, just being me. Oh, Dabam, you are here. Okay. Let me unmute you. Alright, what's up, man? Adon, if you're gonna trade it, are you trading options or shares? Can you tell me that much? Options. Okay, I'm not see, I'm just not familiar with this ticker. Or really the biotech space in general. I don't like trading it because it's crazy. It's a crazy field. I mean, technically we just came out of a buy on it Thursday, but it's a hard one. You know, it's a hard one to call because I don't know enough about the company. It's got a good, it has a good stock price. Like, it's not super low, and it's not like it's a crazy like volatile stock. If we turn the algorithm off and we go over here and draw some lines, you know, you got your support here, you got your support here that just overtook again, and then you got a resistance here. So I mean, you might be in a chop area here, but no, I mean, it looks okay for calls. If you want to swing them, you know, I'd wait till we break 143.27 area, 143.50 probably, but yeah, it looks so good. I personally, I wouldn't trade it because I don't know it. I don't know the company. But I mean, everything's pointing towards a good buy. Even on the daily, the ADXDI is crossing upwards and momentum's at 28, which is pretty good. So it's not a terrible buy if you want to buy. I probably wouldn't short it, but if you want to swing an option, I would swing some calls or go for leap calls, like maybe a 175 call expiring in December or something. Yeah, man, for sure. Any more questions, guys? I'm going to go ahead and end this live stream on YouTube, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and for all the great questions. I will be live tomorrow afternoon for the market, so look for that notification, and I will see you guys later. Peace.